Teacher Aya Online Tutor.
Hello children! I'm Teacher Aya, your online tutor. Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start.
I see the bird. The bird can sing. Again. I see the bird. The bird can sing. Your turn to read, children. I see the bus. The bus is yellow. Again. I see the bus. The bus is yellow. Your turn to read, children. I see the car. The car is red. Again. I see the car. The car is red. Your turn to read, children. I see the dog. The dog can run. Again. I see the dog. The dog can run. Your turn to read, children. I see an egg. The egg is brown. Again. I see an egg. The egg is brown. Your turn to read, children. I see the ball. The ball is round. Again. I see the ball. The ball is round. Your turn to read, children. I see the moon. The moon is big. Again. I see the moon. The moon is big. Your turn to read, children. I see the cat. The cat is white. Again. I see the cat. The cat is white. Your turn to read, children. I see an apple. The apple is red. Again. I see an apple. The apple is red. Your turn to read, children. I see the bed. The bed is big. Again. I see the bed. The bed is big. Your turn to read, children. I see the fish. The fish can swim. Again. I see the fish. The fish can swim. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. I see the bird. The bird can sing. I see the bus. The bus is yellow. I see the car. The car is red. I see the dog. The dog can run. I see an egg. The egg is brown. I see the ball. The ball is round. I see the moon. The moon is big. I see the cat. The cat is white. I see an apple. The apple is red. I see the bed. The bed is big. I see the fish. The fish can swim.
Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lessons.